Today's topic is distribution system and requirements of good distribution system. What is the distribution system or water distribution system? After the water has been properly treated in water treatment plant and made safe and free from contamination or pollution and wholesome, it has to be supplied to the consumers in their individual homes. The water has therefore to be taken from the treatment plant to the roads and streets in the city, and finally to the individual houses. This function of carrying the water from the treatment plant to the individual houses is accomplished through a well planned distribution system. So distribution system consists of many various parts or components like pipelines, valves, meters, pumps, service connections, and service reservoirs, storage reservoir or service reservoir. And function of these components are as: distribution system consists of pipeline of various sizes. Function of pipeline is for carrying the water to, to the street, and valves for controlling the flow in the pipes. And next component is part of the distribution system: hydrants for providing connections with the water mains for releasing water during fires. And next is meter for measuring discharge. Service connections called services to the individual homes. Pumps for lifting and placing the water into the distribution pipes in pumping system. Distribution or service reservoir for storing the treated water to be fed into the distribution pipes, etc. This is the description of distribution system and components of distribution system. Now, requirements of a good distribution system. First one is, it should be capable of supplying water at all the intended places within the city with a reasonably sufficient pressure head. Next is, it should be capable of supplying the requisite amount of water for firefighting during such needs. This is the also important factor. And demand important demand for the city. It should be next requirement is, it should be cheap with the least capital construction cost. Initial cost should be minimum. The economy and the cost of installing the distribution system is a very important factor. Next requirement is, it should be simple and easy to operate and repair. The cost of any system is somewhat depend upon the maintenance cost or repair. So, requirement of distribution system, it should be simple and easy to operate and repair. thereby keeping the RMO cost. RMO means running, maintenance and operation cost. Thus, thereby keeping the RMO cost and trouble to minimum. And next requirement is it should be safe against any future pollution, because water in distribution system, treated water flow, treated water from treatment plant to the individual houses. So it should be safe against any future pollution of water. This aim may be achieved by keeping the water pipelines water pipelines above the sewage pipeline or away from the sewage and drainage lines by sufficient amount. Next requirement is it should be safe as not to cause the failure of the pipelines by bursting, etc. Bursting due to internal high pressure or water hammer, due to water hammering, due to sudden closing the valves. So it should be safe as not to cause the failure of the pipelines by bursting and etc. Next requirement is it should be fairly watertight so as to keep the losses due to leakage to minimum. Low water pipeline, there is no leakage or joint should be properly maintained, because most of the leakage through joints. So joint should be properly maintained, and water pipeline is watertight in case of joint maintained. So keep the losses due to leakage to minimum. These are the some requirements of good distribution system. Thank you.